Hello again. So in this lesson we are going to show you how to randomize your quiz options as they appear on screen. We're also going to show you how to toggle on and off the review screen and show you some of the options that you have available there. So if you go to edit on any one of your quizzes and simply select options, the first thing to point out is the fact that you can actually show the cancel button. So right now we don't have that enabled. So if I enable that and show you what that looks like, when a user comes across a quiz, you give them the option, do they want to cancel it and not answer it, or do they want to engage with it? As a default, it's set to off, but you can also enable that if you don't necessarily want the user to have to answer a quiz. Randomized choices, pretty straightforward, is the order that you put your answers in. Each time a user comes across those answers, they'll be randomized. This is particularly good if you've got a number of users going through a quiz and you don't want them remembering the pattern that the answers appear in. It's good to sometimes randomize those choices. If you don't have this option available to you when it comes to your editing suite in HapYak, it may be that you need to request it from HapYak. All it is on their end, they'll simply enable a button that will give you access to this, but just so you know, this might not be available straight out of the package, you just have to ask for it. So that's there. Next we have the review screen. So right now we do have the review screen enabled. I'll quickly show you what that looks like. So if I answer this quiz and hit submit, this is the review screen. You can actually toggle whether you want this review screen to appear or not, and you also get a range of options with that. So if I go to edit, options and review screen, it's all pretty self-explanatory. If you don't want a review screen, regardless of whether they got it right or wrong, you can actually enable or disable it by just ticking this box here. Again, allowing the user to be able to retry if they get it wrong. If you're getting them to retry the quiz, you might necessarily not want them to be able to see the correct answer, so leave that unticked. You can also apply your own custom message here just to try and help enforce any learnings that the user may have missed. And that's pretty much it, a short and sweet tutorial. If you've got any questions around how the review screen works and how to get access to some of these features, give me a shout. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.